Sometimes a space doesn't need to say much to make you feel something. Contemporary design isn't loud, it doesn't try to impress, it simply offers you room to breathe, to move, to think. This is about quiet clarity, clean lines that let light in, surfaces that don't distract, rooms that feel like a soft pause in a noisy world. Let's walk through that kind of home. From the street, the house doesn't shout. It rests, confident in its calm. The lines are strong, but not harsh. The materials, honest. You don't see extravagance, you see intention, balance. Light playing on surfaces that age well. The kind of home that feels like it belongs, no matter where it stands. This is the space between the outside and everything else, the threshold where your energy shifts. The first deep breath as the door closes behind you. It's quiet here, intentionally so. No clutter, no noise, just soft light, clean lines, and enough warmth to feel human. It's not about impressing anyone. It's about letting you arrive, fully. The feeling here is unburdened. Nothing feels forced. The light moves freely. The space feels like it belongs to you, not to stuff. It's the kind of room that helps you exhale after a long day, without even trying. You don't notice the details at first, you just feel at ease. And that's the point.
It's more than a place to eat.
It's where presence happens. The space feels uncluttered, not just visually, but emotionally. There's a sense of ease around the table, like time doesn't rush here. It's intimate but not heavy, simple but not cold. The kind of place where connection happens without effort. There's clarity here. It's not quiet, just calm. Surfaces are clean, but not cold. Everything has its place, but nothing feels rigid. There's a quiet logic to the flow, a sense of care in the way things are arranged, the kind of kitchen that makes even a simple meal feel like an intentional act. This is where the noise stops completely. The textures are smooth, the palette is restrained, even the echoes feel softened. It's not about luxury, it's about clarity. The kind of space where you wash off more than the day and step out a little lighter. This space doesn't fight for your attention, it gives it back to you. There's just enough around you to stay grounded, but not distracted. It's clean, but not empty, still but not static. A place where your thoughts can land, arrange themselves, and start to move. This is where the world turns down. A room that doesn't ask anything of you. The color speaks in whispers. The air feels still. It's a space made for quiet mornings and early nights, where sleep comes easy and thoughts arrive gently. You're not overwhelmed. You're just home. Contemporary design doesn't decorate for attention. It creates space for intention. It doesn't overwhelm you, it supports you. Every corner offers clarity. Every room lets you be. If this video gave you that sense of quiet, hit like, leave a in the comments, and subscribe for more design that feels as good as it looks.